VAPAE regularly offers special topics in arts education courses, and in this past winter quarter, VAPAE offered Arts Education 101, Creative Acts, Strategies for Teaching Artists Working with Young People in Underserved Communities. Students spent each week experiencing and practicing different methods of engagement, welcomed many esteemed guest lecturers, and fostered an authentic sense of community.
Arts education to me means combining all of the technical art fields with just implementing any kind of lesson plan that is accessible to all.
It's really been an incredible experience. Quite frankly, it's been like a dose of arts therapy for me, which has been incredible. The class really centers on being present and focused, and it's just an amazing gift to be able to do that for 3 hours during a really hectic week as a graduate student.
I'm an immigrant, and in this country, this beautiful country of America, I notice that Americans seem to not really understand the power of the arts. I think that in this country we see the arts as entertainment or for artists. So for me, having worked with the most impacted communities for the last 15 years, are crucially important to turn out a generation of people who are fully humane, who are fully complete as human beings and able to live creative lives, which will mean more happy lives.
It is such a joy to be able to engage such thoughtful, dynamic, curious youth. I feel that so many of our structures have fallen apart, the structures created by adults, and we need to look to the next generation. And so the purpose in the conversation was so urgent. The dedication to participating in the artistic exercises was so real. And to me, that gives me such tremendous hope.